In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove follower on Instagram. This can enhance your privacy and create a more positive online space. It allows you to control who sees your posts, protecting personal details from people you no longer trust or wish to connect with. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Onto your profile page, head to people in your followers list. You will then select any account you don't want to follow you. Now let's say this account right here. Head to it and tap onto these three dots on your upper right. Select Remove Follower. Go ahead and tap on Remove. They will get removed from people who are following you on your Instagram account. This helps in improving your engagement rate, as inactive or uninterested followers can lower the visibility of your posts. Well, that's how easy it is to remove someone as your Instagram follower. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.